So what's the position of the vertex? Martha, can you tell me what's the position of the vertex for the next example here? Okay. When I ask you a question, you guys, if you don't know, you can put an X from the beginning. Good. I'm sorry, say that again, Martha.
3 and 5.
Did you say 3 and 5?
Yeah, only 5.
Okay. I didn't get the first part. Did you say 3 and 5?
The first part. You said 3 and 5.
Martha?
Three and 5.
Okay. 3 and 5 is not correct. Amelia, you want to tell me what is the position of the vertex?
-3, -5.
Very good. It's -3, because if I were going to write the second equation, that would look like this general form. That would be x minus, this is a minus as part of the formula, right? So my h here is -3, must be -3. And then this is always positive, and my k also is -5. Martha, do you see what we're doing here? Do you see why? Because this is h, right? So your h is -3, and your k is -5. Do you see that, Martha?
Yeah. But why is this -3?
Why is it -3? Because we have to write this as x. We have to write this as x minus -3. Because you see how we have a minus here in the formula? This always has to be minus. So when you have plus here, it means your h is really negative. Does that make sense? Do you see that? And then this number here is, if I want to write it as a, if I want to write this as a general formula of the parabola, this would be plus, and then that would be -5. So definitely my k is negative. This is my k, and my h is -3. Danielle, do you follow that also? Okay, good. So in other words, if you see a plus here, you know your h is negative. If you see a minus here, your h is positive, because this minus is part of the formula. So you really need to know what's the general equation of the parabola would look like. Now, the direction of the parabola is depending on what this A is. If this A is positive, which direction your parabola opens, upward or downward?
upward.
So if A is positive, the parabola opens upward. If A is negative, the parabola opens downward. And the highest or lowest point of the parabola where the vertex is. Vertex would be the highest or lowest point of the parabola.